Hello friends, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I am going to show you how you can easily fix your mouse wheel scrolling problem by doing some of the easy settings in your PC or your computer. It is very easy to fix your mouse wheel scrolling problem. For doing so, you have to firstly go to search bar in your taskbar and search there control panel. Here you have to search control panel and open it. You will see a window like this. After you see this window, you have to go to mouse option and open mouse settings. After click on this pop-up window will appear. Here you can see buttons, pointers, pointer option, wheel and hardware. Different type of options are available. So first you have to adjust and see that your double click speed is not slow and it is applied to fast. After that you have to apply and you will go to wheel settings. After that you will see here by default it's 3. You can adjust it to 5 or 4 as I am showing you in this video, but my PC is working with 3 by default settings. You can adjust it as per your choice or as I show you in this video. I am making this 3 again as my PC is working properly in this setting, which is by default by my PC. After that you have to apply the settings and try. Your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching this video. Hope your problem is solved.